successful na Surigao leg ng National Milo Marathon 2025. Ano po ang inyong impresyon sa itong leg ng Surigao?
Alam mo, nakakatuwa, no? Sabi ko nga, habang tumatakbo ako, may nadadaanan ako o may nakasamang person with disability. Kesa maawa ako, mas lalo pang ginaganaan tumakbo kasi parang nagsama kami. Ano ba, hindi iba ka, hindi, magsama kami habang tumatakbo. So, parang we both belong to this kind of activity, no? And very thankful also, Milo, for accommodating this idea. And I'm sure it has reached a lot of people, and I hope that will encourage more activities like this among LGUs, among communities, among organizations. So it's possible. Maraming pong salamat.
Sir, ilan po ba na mag-participate sa Milo dito, especially with persons with disabilities?
Estimate namin siguro mga 300. Then of course, pag namin 300, sumama pa yung mga pamilya nila. It became a family event. So I would say about 500. We were expecting about that number. So we were happy with the turn around of the numbers. And iba-ibang disabilities. Kung napansin nyo, may mga learning disabilities, physical impairment, cerebral palsy, people in wheelchair.
First time po may persons with disabilities na kasali sa ganitong paligsahan.
Well, first time sa Milo, I would say, no, purposely including the person with disability sector, no? Because last year, nagsimula yung walk, run, and roll last year, sinimulan namin sa Philippine Sports Commission to, sa UP Diliman, no? And from that idea, from that event, sabi namin, dali namin sa ibang lugar naman, sa ibang region. And tama-tama, nabanggit ko kay Mr. Carlos Ampan, and he was very accommodating, willing to accept, because he even participated in the walk and roll last year in UP Diliman. So he got the idea, and he became it became very meaningful to him. Kaya ginanahan siya, no? I-accommodate to sa kanilang runs.
Commissioner, may mga plano na po ba from the Philippine Sports Commission para masustain itong project na to, collaboration with Milo, or for the commission itself to sustain this project?
Definitely, the commission will continue this advocacy, no? The promotion of participation in sports and physical activities in the person with disability sector. No? But with Milo, yes, I'm very happy, no, that there are already talks actually, no. Mr. Carlos Ampan already said, Commissioner, tuloy natin to next year, no. So definitely, it's a welcome collaboration again for next year, and hopefully not only Milo, but also other communities, organizations, and local government units. Sana this is a clear indication that activities like this is possible, no, and doable. It doesn't have to be as big as this, but it is doable, even in a very minute scale.
Sir, yung preparation po ng itong leg na to sa Surigao, hindi po ba maiksi yung panahon na nabigay ng Milo, or may sapat pang panahon na naibigay para sa preparation?
Time is not a factor as long as there is cooperation and collaboration. So I cannot say na maikli or mahaba, but time was enough to make this happen, because both groups, no, the Milo and the Philippine Sports Commission, collaborated with the LGU. Ito, nangyari, no? Maganda yung samahan, no? And at this point, I would like to also thank you, very hardworking, technical working Philippine Sports Commission, headed by my wife, Joanna Torren. She's also my executive assistant to office ko. So siya yung parang project lead, no, itong project on PSC, no. So with her working group, na-establish nila yung event. So I'm very thankful for her and her hardworking committee members. So without them, hindi ito mangyayari rin.